Hi, good morning. This is Girija Balakrishnan from Alvi Ranchodas and Company, Mumbai. We've been a Mackerel member since 1994, amongst initial members to have joined the network. I wish to basically share our experiences arising from the COVID-19 situation. So basically, one of the biggest takeaways for us as a law firm has possibly been that nothing is permanent and that possibly change is only constant in the world. Now, as we look back, when we are possibly getting to the end of our lockdown stage, there have been a lot of positives and negatives that we see that has happened during this phase. This has been a time for introspection and for us to actually reinvent ourselves and acquire newer skill sets, to update various areas of the legal work that we've possibly not been focusing enough on for some reason or the other. So it's been a good change in the sense that it's given us this time to introspect and work on aspects that we have not been able to. So far as the short-term and long-term takeaways from this has been that in the short term, we've had to take some tough decisions with reference to pay cuts. We've also been engaging in discussions with our landlords with respect to our office lease, but these are short-term measures as we see it. In the long term, I think one of our key takeaways has been, we have decided to invest more on technological upgradation because as we see it, we will be stepping into a new world that has changed drastically from what it was previously. So far as work-related aspects are concerned, I think during this entire lockdown period, we've been fortunate enough to basically advise clients on force majeure and frustration of contracts and various contractual related matters, apart from doing a few M&A transactions which were a little more difficult to come by. But our main thrust has been with reference to force majeure, with reference to frustration of contracts, employment redundancies. Focus has been more on that during these last 2.5 months. Now, in the short term, we possibly see a lot of this continuing till it reaches its logical conclusion. We also see a spurt in ADR and litigation related matters. But I think in the long term, we are more buoyant with reference to what the future holds for us. Because we believe that India will possibly rebound a lot faster than several other countries, fueled as we are by our 1.5 billion population. So we are very positive about the long-term future, both in terms of the economy, in terms of law, in terms of work, all of those. Now, so far as our USP is concerned, I think as a mid-sized firm, we have always focused on individualized attention for our clients at a reasonable and competitive rates. This has been our USP since over 100 years, and we do not see a need to change that. So if at all, I think we will strengthen that to make sure that there's more individualized attention for our clients and for our members, and we intend continuing on this path. Now, in terms of Malvi Ranchodas and its interaction with MI as such, I think there is a general expectation with several businesses and manufacturing hubs possibly moving to India in the long run. And we hope to be a part of this story with the help and support from our Mackerel International friends worldwide. We hope that all the other members at Mackerel International are also coming out of this entire COVID situation and lockdown and all of you and your families are safe. We hope to meet with each one of you all at the e-meeting in the coming week and in person at future meetings. Thank you very much.